How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1970 C10 CST, done in its factory green, metallic, and white two-tone. Super clean truck. Come out of New Mexico and Texas. You can see they've updated it with the high-def halo headlights. It's got the original grill surround. Excellent condition. It's got a new front bumper on it. Truck's real flat, straight down the sides. Super slick paint on it. All the side trims real nice. Got a nice set of 18 and 20-inch wheels. Very tastefully done. It's got a new smooth rear bumper on it instead of the step. New trim on the tailgate. Tail light look like they've been all replaced. And the bezels. The side moldings all look like new. Got a nice folding tonneau cover on it. This is a 396 original motor, factory 4-barrel. Updated it with a vintage AC and heat. It was a factory AC truck. It's got power disc brakes, power steering. The truck was restored about 3 years ago. They did a very nice job. It was completely taken apart. Door panels are new. It's got the factory gauge and tack package. Got the deluxe interior. Nice set of bucket seats with a center console jump seat. Super nice, clean truck, all original panels. All inside the bed looks good. You know, you can tell they've used it a little bit. Got the rear slider. Updated with the vintage AC heat controls and air. It's got a AM/FM stereo with iPod capability. Got the custom kicked panel speakers. Carpet's all new. It's the jams. Everything look real nice on the truck. Thing fires right up. Everything on the truck works. Then there's duals off the back. Got the 400 turbo trans, 12-bolt rear, limited slip. Backup lights all work. A little chilly out today, so you have to kind of bear with us. I think it's about 18 degrees right now. So it's just a good looking truck. It's got 2-inch lowering blocks in the rear. Just got great stance. Have a great day, folks.